Hello students, welcome back to my biology online classes. In my previous classes I have discussed about the introduction of cell signaling, how cell can give signal and who will go to receive that signal, etc. Now today I am going to discuss about different types of signaling received by the cell from its external environment. So extracellular signaling, and this extracellular signaling are of four types. Point number 1, endocrine signaling. Point number 2, paracrine signaling. Point number 3, autocrine signaling, and point number 4, juxtacrine signaling. Now let's discuss in some detail about the four types of extracellular signaling. First of all, endocrine signaling. When endocrine, this particular term, we heard this particular term, that it directly reminds us about hormone. All of we know that hormone is secreted from endocrine glands. So the endocrine signaling, and this signaling, the main point of this signaling, a main character of this signaling, distantly located means here a cell, excited cell, it releases a signal molecule. Now that signal molecule through the blood stream travel a long distance. This is blood stream. The signal molecule is received by target cell. This one is target cell going to receive this signal molecule. Got it? So this is about endocrine signaling, which is distantly located, whose target cell is distantly located. Example, and this is also known as long range signaling, and example is hormones, and signal is transported through bloodstream, via bloodstream. So let's concentrate about second type, paracrine signaling. Here just opposite, close proximity, target cell in close proximity. Okay. Signal molecule, and this is extracellular matrix and target cell. This is target cell, and this is received by this target cell. Here the gap between this secretory cell and target cell is both of their extracellular matrix of this secretory cell and extracellular matrix of this target cell. The signal molecule will go through this extracellular matrix of both of these cells only. Okay, so this is paracrine signaling. Example, neurotransmitters, tissue hormones or local mediator. What is neurotransmitter means? It's between nerve cells of a synapse. Autocrine signaling. Point number 3. Auto means self. All of we know. Auto means self. Secreting cells secrete signal molecules. These signal molecules can react to its own cell. autocrine signaling. Example, vertebrate immune system. This autocrine signaling is seen as vertebrate immune system to foreign antigen. Certain type of T lymphocytes respond to antigenic stimulation by synthesizing a growth factor that drives their own proliferation, increasing the number of responsive T lymphocytes and amplifying the immune response. So let's come to the fourth type of signaling, juxtacrine signaling, and this one requires physical contact, a physical touch, requires physical contact. Here signal molecule do not diffuse from the cell. Molecule do not diffuse. Here signal molecule do not need to diffuse. It has physical contact with their target cell. Cell bearing signal molecules interact with receptor proteins. Receptor proteins of which? Receptor proteins of adjacent cells. Adjacent responding cells. The main point of juxtacrine signaling is what? This requires physical contact. Example, notch signaling. Notch signaling and classical cadherin signaling. Classical cadherin signaling. So these are four types of extracellular signaling received by the cells from its surrounding environment, and these are four types of response given by signaling cells. Here you can find it as short questions of bearing 2 marks. What is autocrine signaling? Give examples. What is paracrine signaling? Give examples, etc. Generally this type of signal and this question bears only 2 marks and comes under objective type of questions.